Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to archive a task on ClickUps. Maybe you want to archive a task on ClickUps, but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how to archive your task on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your Clickup application, you'll be directed to your home page. And below, you can see the notification button, search icon, and the dotted icon. In today's tutorial, to archive a task, simply choose the task you want to archive. For example, this task. And then now, you'll be directed into the overview of your task. To archive this task, simply tap on the three dots icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And there will be a pop-up options for you to choose. And then here you'll see the archive option. Simply tap on this archive. And as you can see, task is archive. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to archive a task on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to archive your task on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.